Step 1. Inserting the capsule. Twist the black cup off the unit. Place the Coravin capsule into the cup. Twist the cup onto the unit quickly and tightly. Then give it an extra half turn to be sure it is tight. Slide the clamp down until it snaps into place. Step 2. Preparing. Insert the wine bottle into a Coravin wine bottle sleeve. Zip to close. Squeeze the clamps. Place around the neck of the bottle so that the needle guide is resting on the foil. Release the clamps. Ensure the needle guide is resting on the foil. Before each use, press the trigger quickly to purge the Coravin system of any air. Press the handle down fully with the palm of one hand. Step 3. Pouring. With one hand holding the bottle and the other on the handle, tilt the bottle so that the spout is lower than the base of the bottle. Press and release the trigger quickly to pressurize the bottle and pour wine. Repeat when wine slows or stops. Tilt the bottle to the upright position when completed. Step 4. Removing. Grasp the handle while holding the bottle. Firmly pull the handle upwards to the full upright position. Squeeze the clamps and remove the unit from the bottle. Remove the bottle from the Coravin wine sleeve. Place the unit on the base. Clear the system of any remaining wine by briefly pressing the trigger to release a short burst of gas. For additional tips, please visit Coravin.com.
One pickle, one slice of Swiss cheese, one slice of salami, one lollipop, one piece of cherry pie, and one sausage!
This is Moonlight, and it turns story time into a magical experience. Just pop in a story reel, open the app, and clip it to your phone. It's that simple. Make magical moments and forever memories with Moonlight.